Okay, good evening, Doctor. Welcome to our Hall of Fame discussion. So, I
Thank
would like to ask you a couple of questions. Your experience, how you practice that, and how it is helping in your professional journey. That's what I wanted to ask. Before that, could you please explain your background so that all our viewers can understand what exactly you're doing, your background, your experience?
Good evening, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Muthu Prabha, recently taken charge as Professor and HOD of Obstetrics and Gynecology Department in Thuthukudi Medical College. Once I attended the counseling, I thought I should join this program. On seeing this in Facebook, Read for Success for 6 days, I thought it will be helpful for me because until now, I was just a clinician, and now I have got an additional role as administrator in which I want a vast knowledge by reading many books. So I wanted to increase my speed of reading, and that's why I joined this course.
Wonderful, wonderful, doctor. So initially you joined our 6 days program, early morning read for success. What was your experience during that process? And because it was a mini program,
Yeah,
have you got any tangible result from that mini course, read for
yeah,
success at 5:30 a.m.?
yeah, sir. It was very much helpful for me, I should say. Initially, I used to read a lot of books, but gradually, when I came into this medical curriculum, my speed of reading was a little bit slow towards this non-fiction books. I started reading and concentrating on my subject books. But later, I felt that I should read the other books, that is, as you said, 50% of the domain books and 25% for self-development. And that was very much helpful for me. And the second is within that 6 days period, I was able to see a vast difference in my speed of reading, sir. Initially, the first day when you asked us to calculate the speed, the number of words we are reading in a minute, it was around 160 to 170, sir. But at the end of that 6 days, it became 270 within 6 days. So I thought if I join for a 21 days course, how fast will be my reading speed so that I could read many books in a limited time. And it was not only about speed reading also, it was a holistic approach. So that 6 days program, memorizing, I like that memory palace, that journey method, and how to remember the random numbers. So it was very much helpful. That 6 days was that motivation period for me to join this 21 days course.
Wonderful. Okay, okay, doctor. After Read for Success, you got some value, tangible value from this course in terms of reading, in terms of memorization. You decided to join our long-term program, 21 Days Brain Accelerator Challenge. So,
Yeah.
what was your experience? Basically, I wanted to understand how you are applying in your field because you are in a medical science, you are treating patient, you are managing so students and also patient. How this is helping you? Because that's what I just wanted to understand so that viewers also will understand, okay, so not only is it generic, even a medical field, they can use this concept.
Yeah. And each and every day video, sir, whenever I finish that day's class or that video session, I'll see to it how I can apply it in my field, sir. And practically, I used to apply it. And one among that is remembering faces. That was very much helpful for me, sir. Previously, we had a batch of 150 students, and now we are having 250 students. Is it not? It is not possible to remember all the 250 students, and it was really a challenge for me. But the tips you have given how to remember the faces by taking the unique feature and connecting it with it, that was very much helpful. And practically every day, once I finish my ward rounds, I call the house surgeons, ask their name, and you, as you told, you have to ask what is the meaning of that name, from which place they are coming, and connect that unique feature with that. And daily I started memorizing 5 to 10 names, 5 of the interns and 5 of the staff nurse, and gradually I was able to remember the names. And even till now I am remembering the names of the house agents which I asked on the first day of this program, sir. That is how it is helping me. This is one of the examples I am telling. Like that, each and every day session was helping me. And the most helpful one was the mind map, which I have taught my postgraduates also, sir. So that whenever they read a topic, they can prepare a mind map of that. So when they are going through it in the study holidays, just if they go through the mind map for each topic, they can reproduce it in the exam. These are the two fine examples which I got from your 21 days programs.
Wow, wonderful. So you're able to apply this.
Apply, yeah,
Wonderful.
yeah.
So coming to the reading books, so how it has helped you to develop your reading habits or your speed and also overall memorization, how it has helped you to develop those ability after you so started learning this 21 days program?
Sir, initially my speed of reading was I used to read a book for almost 1 month, sir. If I take a non-fiction book, I'll have to find out time. It was a great task for me to find time for reading. But now I am able to find out the time, which also you taught now, sir. You have to fix a particular time, find out your peak performance time. Likewise, I identify that 5 to 6 is my peak performance, and I have made it a habit that every morning I'll read at least for 20 minutes. But now I am not able to stop with 20 minutes. When I take a book, I have to read it for 1 hour, and I am able to complete a book within 2 days. That is 1 hour in the morning, 5 to 6. Within 2 days, I am able to complete a book. That is the speed with which I have improved after joining this course, sir. And
Okay.
the number of words has also increased from 170. After that read for success course, it became 270, and now I am reading at the rate of 650 words per minute.
Wow.
650 is
Wow. It's
yeah.
extremely powerful way you are reading. And tell me how much you could understand with this speed, because 600 words per minute, really, it's like a speed reader way to read that. So because 600 is a really great speed. Tell me, so about your understanding with that speed, how much you could understand? It's a 60%, 70%, 100%. What is
No,
your
no, no, sir.
understanding?
No, sir, nearly 100%, almost 98 to 99% I'm able to remember, sir.
Wow.
And
Wow.
I had the opportunity to present in our book club also. For that presentation, I took only 2 hours to go through that book and prepare the mind map also, sir. That is the speed which I have gained after joining this club.
Wonderful. I think, doctor, you are literally applying all this psychology because because you are in the medical science, you know what is this cognitive psychology. You're
Yeah,
literally applying,
yeah,
and you are
yeah,
seeing the magical result from 100,
yeah,
150 to 600. Almost 4 to 5 times speed you
yeah,
improved. It's a great. So coming to memorization, also you already explained names and
yeah, yeah,
faces and
yeah,
mind
yeah.
mapping. Other than that, so have you started using this memory concept either your
Yeah,
personally or
yeah.
your students?
No, sir, I'm using it for my personal use. That journey method has impressed me very much, sir. For whatever things I want to remember, I take the journey palace from my home to hospital and return back from hospital to home. I have identified almost 50 spots. So whatever I want to, the things to do that particular day also, I remember by this journey method so that I don't miss anything. Previously, I used to write in a paper, tick and miss something. But now by this journey method, I'm able to keep it in my mind. That is one of the things now I'm thinking that I can teach my students also. I have become successful, I think if I'm teaching my students also, it will be helpful. And my daughter is doing her MD final year exam now, sir. I have taught her how to remember this by this method, and she's also practicing. After she's completing her exams in May, she's planning to join this club, sir.
Wow, wow, wonderful, doctor. I think you are so basically taking this concept and applying each and every places. So
Yes.
based on your personal experience, because you have learned various memory concept, speed reading concept, mind dynamics, so and also developing habits of reading. So what is your personal experience? Is it useful for whether you can use in your medical science or any other day-to-day activity or a professional journey? What is your personal experience? And so people who are standing outside, if they don't know anything, what do you suggest for them? Is it useful for everybody or only a specific category?
No, no, sir. It will be useful for each and every one, sir. Even a housewife can attend this. They'll think that reading is not going to help me in any way, but the homemakers are those who have to join this so that they'll improve their reading habits and they'll be able to see a different world, sir. Once they start reading, they'll be having a different experience. They'll be able to see a different world. And as you told, where there is a will, there is a way. We will be able to get time, sir. I was thinking that I am in a busy schedule. I cannot read, but now after joining this club, I think January 14th, I joined this club. That 6 days program was completed. 13th or 14th, we joined this 21 days program, sir. After that, I have almost completed 10 books. So I think it's a very great achievement compared to my last year's reading habit. So if the homemakers and the other students also join this program, they'll be able to see a different world. And from
Wonderful.
each and every book, I'm able to get so many points that each and every book is found to be a treasure house. And I am yet to read Ikigai, which you have suggested. I think that will be my next book, sir.
Wonderful, doctor. I think you're doing a magical work. Now, what is your goal? So using all these concepts, speed reading, memorization, book strategy, and all this, whatever you learned, as a doctor, what is your this year plan? Probably, are you planning to read maybe 52 books, 100 books? Do you have any systematic plan?
Yeah. Yeah, sir. Initially, I thought first day when I joined, as you said, one book per week. So I kept my goal as one book per week. Then after completing this 21 days challenge, I thought I'll read 2 books. But now I am able to read one book per day, sir. That is the speed
Wow.
which I increased. So I think I'll be able to cover almost 300 to 350 books before we enter into 2022, sir.
Thank you so much, doctor. I think you are
Uh,
putting a real effort because it's a great achievement. If you read
uh,
365 books every day, one book, it's a great, and
mm,
it's very easy. So
yeah,
according to me, it's a
yeah,
very
sir.
straightforward, very easy. People can't believe actually. People sometime what happened, they read one book a year. Now we are showing how we can read one book a day. I think you are a great example. You are inspiration to all our students, definitely. So
And
all of
also,
all our
one,
students.
one more thing I would like to share, sir. The consistency with which you are conducting this weekly meeting, sir. Every Monday you are sharp waiting for us, and Wednesday and the 2 books we are reviewing, it is helping us a lot. And so even if you are becoming slack at the end of the week, on Monday you will have that meeting, and that gives us a boost. So you are a motivator, sir. We are lucky enough to have a mentor like you, not only in developing speed reading as a holistic development and transformation in us. You are perfect, and uh, we are really blessed to have you as a mentor, sir.
Oh, thank you so much,
So that
doctor. Thank you
I
for
would
your kind words.
so I would like each and everyone who is planning to join this to say that they are blessed and lucky to have Dr. Manjunath as a mentor, and they can join this program and they'll be getting 100% benefit from this programs.
Thank you so much. And the final words from your end. So what do you think? What do you think about overall curriculum or any other things? What do you feel
So
that, so learning, coming to learning?
the curriculum is perfectly designed and it's in an organized manner. So in every session we complete, we are going on to moving on to the next step. So that is in a perfect manner that we are able to complete the 21 days program. And on each and every day, you are making us develop a new habit and we are able to move into the next higher level. That is how I am seeing this program. And so whoever wants to get a holistic transformation in them, it is better for them to join this program. That is what I am sharing from my experience. And you're also so, how could I say, you're so calm and composed, and whatever doubts you are asking, you are able to clear it. You are giving an example. And then somebody asks, I am not able to remember an abstract word, you are saying how to create a visualization using the SIP cafe method, and for each and every word. And you will also ask the group members to suggest how you can develop a mind member picture for this. That is how you are taking the classes, and because of this consistency of the class, we are also able to continue this practice daily, sir.
Wonderful,
Thank
doctor.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you, sir.
so
Thank
much.
you,
I
sir.
think you are doing a great job in terms of putting action point, because the practice is main important. Because even when I started teaching, if you don't take action, there is no result. I think you also realize
Yeah,
that
yeah.
means you are taking a massive action to reach this goal. And wish you all the best. As a doctor, you are practicing with your busy work. That's what I wanted to
Okay.
appreciate. With your busy schedule, still you are sitting and practice reading books and memorizing and speed reading. That really appreciate. And you are one of the inspiration to all our club members, so that they can also follow your footsteps and reach that goal.
Okay, sir.
So thank you so much,
One more
doctor.
thing, sir.
Yes, please.
One more thing, shall I? Usually, I used to read the gadgets, sir, in soft copy when I'm traveling. I don't take a book with me. But as you said, you have to feel the book and you have to be soulful with that book. That helps me a lot, sir. Nowadays, I have started taking hard copies with me. I'm taking the book with me, which has helped me a lot, and to create an interest in that book. That is one more point which I learned from you, sir. That is what I would like to suggest others also. It is better to go and read a hard copy than to go for a soft copy, sir.
Yes, I
Thank you.
agree. I
Thank you, sir.
personally I like that, because I always go
Yeah.
with the physical copy, because I have a lot of physical instead of hard copy. I keep reading physical, because physical copy always attract.
Yeah, yeah,
Emotionally we connect. It's all
yeah,
proven.
yeah,
And so
yeah,
even people who are watching this, I strongly recommend go and read physical books. Even doctor suggested go and read printed books. That is more
yeah,
connected than digital books. And I think that's it from my end, doctor. Thank you so much once
yeah,
again, and reaching this goal and the speed, memorization, brain strategy, and also you are sharing with your students, your
yeah,
friends. That is great. So that's what we need to do. Spread this knowledge within our family and your friends, so that they will also enjoy this process. With that, thank you so much for coming and sharing your experience in Hall of Fame. So wish you all the best, and thank you so much.
thank you, sir, for the wonderful experience you are getting from your program. I would like the newcomers also to follow your path and improve and transform themselves into greater human beings. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.